Okay kids, it's just a quick and dirty video here. Want to start with a little desert gold here. Got them down nicely. These are boneless, skin on breast. Nice color on them. Okay, we're cooking some Chris Lilly airplane chicken. It's in his cookbook, his first cookbook. It's fabulous. We're just kind of browning it here. Got a little oil, desert gold. Just get this side for a few minutes, and then it's going to go onto the gas grill. It's getting a nice brown on these. About another 3 or 4 minutes. See that? What we're going to do, we have 6 breasts, big pat of butter on each one. In fact, let's put a pat and a half on here. Never have too much butter. I'm going to put a probe in one of them. One key ingredient coming. Put some fresh basil in there. Just tear it up a little bit. Those of you who don't know Chris Lilly, really wonderful cook, great guy, great family. Big Bob Gibson in Alabama, Decatur, Alabama. I went and visited him when I first started. They're famous for the Alabama white sauce, which, if you've ever had it, is really fabulous. Try and seal this as best I can. I got my gas grill going, because I like cooking outside. We'll see you there when we put it on. Okay, it's 300 degrees. We're going to put it medium shelf up here. I have the left side medium high. I have the right side medium high. 165 and we're golden. 62 I'm going to. We'll see you in just a little bit. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Look at that beautiful chicken. Get some of that good butter on it. Butter, basil, and all the chicken juice. I'm not going to be afraid to put a lot on it. Okay, we're excited. It's a good dinner, and I'm ready to eat. Adios.